हिंदुस्तान के हर जिले में एक अगर आदर्श गांव बना करके हम देते हैं तो सभी अगल बगल के गांवों को खुद को उस दिशा में जाने का मन कर जाएगा। एक मॉडल गांव बना करके देखें, व्यवस्थाओं से भरा हुआ गांव बना करके देखें।
The Adarsh Gram Nannambra with 7,335 households in Tirurangadi block, Malappuram district, Kerala is spread over 80.35 square kilometer. The famous Kodinni Mosque and the nearby Great Shiva Temple are the symbol of unity in diversity and of communal harmony.
Nannambra Panchayat was adopted by our Honorable MP Sri E.T. Mohammed Bashir Sir in the first phase under Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. Along with the development of basic infrastructure and amenities and access to rights and entitlements and good governance, our Honorable MP emphasized on a village development plan which also included awareness generation for increasing productivity in agriculture, organic farming, waste management, proper and importance of water and energy conservation, healthy lifestyles to ward off diseases, value education, saying no to drugs, digital literacy, etc.
Nannambra Panchayat in my parliamentary constituency has been selected as one of the best 5 Gram Panchayat in India. It is really a remarkable achievement we have made. We have identified 62 projects, out of which 90% is in completion stage. Other projects are going on with full swing.
Agriculture is the key livelihood activity. Paddy being the main crop along with coconut, bitter leaf, aracanut, banana, etc. Paddy is cultivated in more than 900 acres of land. Under SAGI, with the guidance of Honorable MP, agriculture schemes and 3-tier panchayat schemes were converted to convert more than 300 acres of barren land into land suitable for paddy cultivation. Now the farmers are producing and marketing organic rice branded as Nanma rice, which is highly popular even in Gulf countries.
തരിശു ഭൂമികൾ കൃഷി ചെയ്യാനുള്ള അവസരം ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ നമുക്ക് സാധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ സബ്സിഡികൾ കൊടുത്ത് കാർഷിക മേഖല ലാഭകരമാക്കാൻ നമുക്ക് സാധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അതൊരു നേട്ടം തന്നെയാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ അത്യാവശ്യം ഒരുപാട് 300-400 ഏക്കർ ഏകദേശം നമ്മൾ കൂടുതൽ കൃഷി ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരവസ്ഥയിലേക്ക് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ എത്തിക്കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. വിഷാംശം ചേരാത്ത അരികളും ഒക്കെ നമുക്ക് തന്നെ ഭക്ഷിക്കാൻ കഴിയുന്നത് തന്നെയാണ് നമ്മളെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം കാർഷിക മേഖലയിൽ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ നേട്ടം ഉണ്ടാകുക എന്നുള്ളത്.
ഇവിടെ കണ്ടിട്ടുള്ള ഈ പച്ചപ്പൊക്കെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ കൃഷിക്കാരുടെ കൂട്ടായിട്ടുള്ള പരിശ്രമം കൊണ്ട് മാത്രം കണ്ടെത്തിയതാണ്. 98% തരിശ് മുക്ത പഞ്ചായത്തായി നന്നമ്പ്ര മാറിയിട്ടുണ്ട്.
സർക്കാർ തലത്തിലുള്ള ലാബുകളിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോയി ടെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് നല്ല അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളാണ് വരുന്നത്. 100% ജൈവത്തിലാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റ് ലഭിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. രാസവളമോ കീടനാശിനിയോ തെളിയിക്കാതെ ജൈവവളം മാത്രം ഉപയോഗിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർമ്മിച്ചൊരു നെൽകൃഷിയാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഉള്ളത്.
The Keragramam Coconut Village project of the state government implemented in this panchayat doubled the coconut production and income by assisting new coconut plantation, replantation, subsidized fertilizer distribution and making of value-added products. Integrated intercropping system was also introduced to farmers to increase their income and productivity.
ഇവിടുത്തെ കർഷകർക്കായിട്ട് സോയിലിന്റെ ഹെൽത്ത് കാർഡ് നൽകുന്ന ഒരു സാഹചര്യം, അത്തരമൊരു സാഹചര്യം ഉണ്ടായപ്പോൾ കർഷകർക്ക് ഭൂമിയെ മണ്ണ് അറിഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ പ്രൊജക്ടുകൾ തയ്യാറാക്കാനും അതോടൊപ്പം കൃഷി ഇറക്കാനും സാധിച്ചു. അതിന്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ട് ഒട്ടനവധി കൃഷിയിടങ്ങൾ തരിശ് ഭൂമി ഇല്ലാത്തൊരു ഗ്രാമമാക്കി നന്നമ്പ്രയെ മാറ്റാനൊക്കെ സൻസദ് ആദർശ് ഗ്രാമയോജനയ്ക്ക് സാധിച്ചു എന്നുള്ളതാണ്.
Homestead vegetable garden was started in 600 households to produce organic vegetables for their use. Vegetable cultivation after harvesting paddy is also giving additional income to farmers.
As far as this SAGI scheme is concerned, we all know that there is no specialized allotment for this scheme. Unfortunately, there is no much sources in my constituency for getting CSR fund. Fortunately, we have got only one institution like that, Indian Oil Corporation. With their help, we were able to make school building first.
For increasing infrastructure in education sector, Indian Oil Corporation sanctioned 58 lakhs as CSR fund for construction of a 4-classroom building with all modern facilities to Kundur Naduvitil AMLP school. This building is used as COVID care center during the pandemic.
We have spent 32 lakh from MPLAD for converting the government schools to smart school. That also is another landmark kind of things.
Various other activities under MGNREGS are also being done like well construction, pond renovation, rainwater harvesting, construction of drainages, cattle shed construction in convergence with Animal Husbandry Department, etc.
PSC was upgraded as Family Health Center by utilizing 75 lakhs from MLA fund. I am thankful to MLA also because he cooperated very much in this.
National Health Mission Fund and state schemes are converged for providing facilities at the Family Health Center, outpatient treatment, pharmacy, well-equipped lab and vaccination center including COVID-19 vaccination is provided here. Further, it is also functions as mother and child care center, arranging special maternity clinics, camps on lifestyle diseases, immunization, etc. Yoga training was also arranged by Wellness Center of PSV Ayurveda College, Kottakkal. One of the major development under SAGI was achieved by the special effort taken by the Honorable MP. A new building was constructed to Cherubara PHC Subcenter by utilizing 40 lakhs of CSR fund from Indian Oil Corporation Limited.
We are really happy to say that 100% electrification of the houses has been completed. That also seems to be a very important achievement we have made under the scheme.
Being SAGI GP 1.7 crore was sanctioned under DDUG-JY for additional transformers and electric line extension with 3-phase. Under Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana by converging MP LADS, MLA Asset Development Fund and 3-tier Panchayats plan funds, good connectivity linked with major roads was attained. Under PMGSY 1.645 kilometers, Velliamburam Olapidiga Road for 87 lakh rupees was also constructed.
Nowadays, the whole country is facing plastic pollution. In order to arrest this pollution, we made concentrated effort and created a kind of awareness and make this panchayat a plastic free panchayat like that.
The non-biodegradable wastes are collected, segregated in material collection center and sent for recycling. For source level household waste management, 1093 numbers of pipe compost units were given. Mass awareness creation on solid and liquid waste management was also conducted. To provide safe and secure housing, 9 IAY houses, 2 PMAY houses and 30 houses under life missions were constructed. Digital literacy campaign and other activities by NSS volunteers of PSMO College, Tirurangadi and SSM Polytechnic College, Tirur. Youth Parliament by NYK. Various skill training under DDU-GKY Common Service Center in Tayyalingal Post Office are some other special initiatives.
സമ്പൂർണ്ണ വൈദ്യുതീകരണത്തിന് 87 ലക്ഷം രൂപയും ഓലപ്പേടിക വെള്ളിയാമ്പുറം റോഡ് നിർമ്മാണത്തിന് 84 ലക്ഷം രൂപയും MP ഫണ്ട് ഉപയോഗിച്ച് സ്കൂളുകളിൽ സ്മാർട്ട് ക്ലാസ് റൂം സ്ഥാപിക്കാൻ 32 ലക്ഷം രൂപയും സാഗിയിലൂടെ സാധ്യമാക്കിയത് എടുത്തു പറയേണ്ട നേട്ടമാണ്.
We are facing the issue of wastage of water. There also we have made very good effort and people now realize the necessity of preserving the water. These kind of things, we made it. Of course, this all I really understand that these factors may be the important things for making this success. SAGI scheme is having a fastness and a vision. It is a project of national pride for infrastructure development in the rural area. Similarly, to develop the feeling of togetherness among the villagers. Social activities are also a part of it. Health, education, agriculture, and all these kind of sectors are very, very importantly considered in this.
90% of the projects included in the VDP have been completed successfully. Also, most of the development indicators listed in the Panchayat Darpan have also reached 100% of the target. Constant guidance and leadership from our Honorable MP, right from the launching of the scheme to the preparation of the VDP and completion, was the driving force behind the model development of this Adarsh Gram.